Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making baked potatoes or jacket potatoes in the air fryer. Let's get going. We're going to be using the Ninja Flex Drawer today, and we have 4 potatoes, some olive oil and some sea salt. So to start with, we're just going to pour some olive oil into a bowl. We're going to take one of the potatoes and just give it a good coating of olive oil, and we're going to stick that in the air fryer. Let's put it in. I'm going to repeat this for all 4 potatoes. This is the Flex Drawer air fryer. It has 2 zones. If you've got a dual basket, you could use both baskets. I've got some baking potatoes here. They're quite large, so I'm going to put 2 in each zone. There we go, coat them all up. It's pretty good. Put him in there. And the last one, there it is, all coated up, and in the air fryer it goes. So with a sharp knife, I've got these Ninja knives here, which are brilliant. Just going to stab a few holes in the potatoes. This will just aid the cooking cycle. There we go. And then I'm just going to pour some sea salt over the top. Lovely sprinkling of sea salt. And into the air fryer they go. Let's get this thing cooking. So we're going to turn on the air fryer. We're going to be using both zones today. We're going to be hitting zone 1 air fry mode. And I'm going to take that down to 180 degrees. And we're going to be putting the timer on for an hour. There we go. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to push match so that both zones start and finish at the same time, the same temperature. Let's go. After 30 minutes, we'll pull them out and we'll turn them upside down and continue cooking for the last 30 minutes. And hopefully we've got some amazing jacket potatoes or baked potatoes ready to eat. Okay guys, so we're coming up to 30 minutes of cooking. Let's get these potatoes turned over. Let's have a look, see how they're doing inside. Let's move the camera down a bit. There we go, they look amazing. Right, let's get these turned over. So I've turned them over. They've got quite a crisp to them. Let's get those back in the air fryer for the last 30 minutes. In they go. Well guys, we're nearly up to the 1 hour mark. I cannot wait to try these baked potatoes, jacket potatoes. The air fryer's gone into cool down mode. Let's turn that off and let's have a look inside. Wow, they look absolutely amazing. Let's get one of them on a plate, cut it open and see how well it's cooked. Wow, look at that. As you can see, lovely crispy outer coating skin. And you've got this lovely fluffy potato inside. You're going to get some butter on those, maybe a bit of cheese, a bit of beans, and they're going to taste amazing. There we go, got some butter on those, let all that soak in. Really, really easy to do, guys. If you like the video, please hit that like button, leave any comments down below, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my future content. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye for now.